Welcome to Avida Towers Cloverleaf. I'm Fabian Guillermo, your real estate salesperson. Today we are going to explore a vibrant community that combines modern living into convenience and comfort. One of the standout features of Avida Towers Cloverleaf is its exceptional amenities. You'll find a resort-style swimming pool, a well-equipped fitness center, and a spacious clubhouse perfect for your events. Living at Avida Towers Cloverleaf means enjoying a modern lifestyle in a thriving community. With its strategic location and top-notch amenities, it's the perfect place to call home. Interested in making Avida Towers Cloverleaf your new home? You can contact me at Avida Signature Space Facebook page or at 0968 318 5104.